So today our first day trip in Coron. We choose the super ultimate tour with many stops, best places like Twin Lagoons, Barracuda Lake. So now we are at the pier waiting for some passengers and then we go to first stop. Yeah, let me show the cover. So all tours start here. We are on a boat, ready for our day trip one.
Okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
Going
Bye-bye.
to most likely to Twin Lagoon. Yeah.
Okay, life jacket first, life jacket.
Here is our tour guide and
Life
our boat.
jacket.
I'll show you now. So our first stop is Twin Lagoon. Wow, the weather is amazing. Twin Lagoon.
Okay.
Here there should be one hike. Then we go to, yeah, let's check it out first.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
So this is our last stop.
Guys, smile.
experience so far?
Fantastic. 10 out of 10. Easy 10 out of 10. Good price, atmosphere, price quality. Quality of the food, everything, cocktails, beer, service, everyone knows your personal attendance. It's amazing, amazing. Guys, we try for you, huh? Goodie. Let us take one more and praise this place again.
Good morning.
Today's our second trip in Coron. We're going to an island escape.
Yeah, another day tour. We are to the same harbor, waiting for some other people coming.
We have a tour group of 18 people.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be at island Escapade.
The weather is not bad, but yeah, hope everything will be fine. So
See
see you later.
Cruise ship just arrived.
Yeah,
Wow.
Mark, tell our subscribers what just happened.
So we approached the coconut drink thingy. They have a booth. They sell tuba. It's a root of the coconut juice. Very large and very high in hydration, etc. But we tried and it's miserable. It's very bad.
We don't like it. But anyway, maybe with alcohol, with rum, would be better. Anyway, yeah, but
no rum for us today.
Finally, Mark's dream came true. He was dreaming about these ribs so
Since
long.
6 years.
Okay. Okay, let's try it quickly for our subscribers. And
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
okay, we'll tell you later our opinion.
Hi guys.
Hi, once again. We just had lunch and now we are heading to explore the main island. So we'll see. The weather is getting better and better, and we are heading to the nearest beach on the island, on the main island. Yeah.
I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan. I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream, dream away. So dream, dream away. Clear up my vision. I want colors to find.
Guys, we are ready for another activity in Coron, and it is a hike to Mount Tapyas or something like
Tapyas.
this. Tapyas.
Tapyas.
Yeah.
So something like that.
Yeah, it is the best sunset spot, and it takes about like maybe 15 minutes to go up.
We got
So-
2 waters with us
Yeah,
and gonna check it out and then let you know
Check it
if
out,
it's
yeah.
worth it or not.
yeah. See you later. Not bad.
So far it's very easy. Very easy.
Just stairs. It is all stairs.
It's around 700 or 700 plus stairs. So even a child can do it.
Yeah.
But
And-
we see at the top.
Ooh, so we are still here on the top. Sunset is still not here. Anyway, we like it so much. So many beautiful spots here. Yeah, let's go. So busy Coron. Friday night. It's Friday night. La 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 la. Friday night. So we are heading back home. Then go to have dinner. So this is the shop near our hotel. We are buying petrol. Mark, show us the petrol. How much is it?
Sotka za liter.
Wow, yeah, just near our hotel. And here you can see some fresh vegetables, nice, and fresh. Wow, this is stingray, and I think this is scumbria, mackerel. And over there you can see, just 100 meters from here, our Venus Royale hotel. Our room is on the 2nd floor. It's quite noisy, but still okay, right?
Be careful water here.
Wow.
Blena. Oh,
Oh my God.
water everywhere.
What happened? Yeah, that's the recommendation. Guys, I don't know. So, yeah, room tour. Yeah, here is the bathroom. It's quite modern. I think it's newly renovated.
Yes.
Nice, very nice. Shower, toilet, mirror, everything. And they clean the room every day upon request or even without request. And you can see the bed. I think it's a king size bed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bed is comfy. The only thing is
Yeah.
2 pillows, but still for Coron it's top notch.
Aircon works properly. Smell like.
Smell.
No, yeah, I'm do. Yeah, the view from our room is not recommended, but I'll show you. Anyway, so it's the like this overlooking the construction site or some local area. But and the price for it's Christmas time. We booked in advance, and the price is about $80 per night. I don't know. You decide whether it is
Much or not?
expensive or not.